Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact environment: Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, and note any wallpaper apps you use. Once done, backup current images and export preferences so you can restore them if needed. Next, open Settings and go straight to Personalization or Wallpaper. Make sure to locate the Slideshow, Dynamic, or Auto Change toggle. This is the first control you'll turn off. Also check any synced devices and pause sync to prevent instant reapplication of auto wallpapers. You now move into the detailed execution. Switch off every built-in dynamic or slideshow feature in Settings, and then inspect Task Scheduler, Windows, or Launched/Cron, macOS/Linux, for any wallpaper jobs and disable them. Once done, open App Permissions and revoke the ability for third-party apps or launchers to change your wallpaper. Make sure to uninstall or disable any wallpaper-specific apps or browser extensions. If you use a theme pack, remove it. This prevents automatic re-enabling from that source. You finish by clearing any wallpaper cache or temporary files and then restart the interface. Explorer on Windows, Dock/Windows Server on Mac OS, or simply reboot mobile devices to apply a static image. Once done, set a single wallpaper and watch for changes. If things still auto-change, reset personalization settings or carefully remove related registry keys or plist files, but do this only if you backed up first. For stubborn cases, check logs and sync settings. If needed, reinstall the offending app or create a new user to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.